Hi there, it's Rabbi B. Happy Purim! You know, I wanted to show you my triangle-shaped hat, and I know a funny song we can sing together. Let me just get my hat on, and... Uh-oh, my yarmulke got squished. Okay, let's try that again. Uh-oh, hey, what's going on? Anyhow, hey, who turned out the lights? Oh my goodness, okay, so, what? Not again? Oh my goodness. Here, let me try to do it this way. There we go. Okay. Well, I have a special song I like to sing. It goes like this. My hat, it has 3 corners. 3 corners has my hat. If it did not have 3 corners, it would not be my hat. Can you sing along with me? Let's try it again. My hat, it has 3 corners. 3 corners has my hat. If it did not have 3 corners, it would not be my hat. Okay, great. Well, now what we're going to do is we're going to take out the word hat, and instead we'll use the Hebrew word. The Hebrew word for hat is kova. So now when we say the word hat, instead we'll say kova. Are you ready? Here we go. My kova, it has 3 corners. 3 corners has my kova. If it did not have 3 corners, it would not be my kova. That's great. Now let's take out the word 3, and instead we'll use the Hebrew word Sha-Losh. Are you ready to do that? Same song. Now we're going to say kova and Sha-Losh. Here we go. My kova, it has Sha-Losh corners. Sha-Losh corners has my kova. If it didn't have Sha-Losh corners, it wouldn't be my kova. Okay, now we're going to take out the word corners, and instead we'll say peanut. Are you ready? Kova, Sha-Losh, peanut. That's great. Here we go. My kova, it has Sha-Losh peanut. Sha-Losh peanut has my kova. If it didn't have Sha-Losh peanut, it wouldn't be my kova. You're great. Let's do the whole song in Hebrew. La kova sheli, Sha-Losh peanut, Sha-Losh peanut, la kova sheli, lule hayu lo, Sha-Losh peanut, lo haya zeh ha-kova sheli. You guys are great. Well, happy Purim from me, Rabbi B. See you later.
Rabbi B loves hearing from fans. Please send any fan mail, drawings, or questions to rabbibmusic@gmail.com.